Samsung really wants cryptocurrency users to ditch their iPhones. It's now no secret that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will support decentralized applications, DApps, in addition to its hardware-backed secure storage for cryptocurrencies. But will this force Apple and other smartphone makers to also enter the crypto arms race? Samsung Galaxy S10 to support DApps. Last week it was reported that the new flagship smartphone of Samsung, the Galaxy S10, will include a dedicated secure storage solution for storing private keys. News coming from the Samsung Mobile Business Summit in Barcelona confirmed that the storage solution will support Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as altcoins called Cosmo Coin, COSM, and Enjin. In a bizarre turn of events, Samsung today announced its wallet app at MWC supported assets, BTC, Enjin, some tiny in-game currency thing, and COSM, absolute shitcoin from Korea for buying beauty products, WTF. Hardly any details. I'd wager this doesn't ship on US models. pic.twitter.com/WXA0MJCYD2. Udi Wertheimer at Udi Wertheimer, February the 25th, 2019. In addition, however, the smartphone will also support select decentralized applications, DApps. As of yet, the only DApp available for Samsung Galaxy S10 is called COSM. Its decentralized nature, however, is questionable, to say the least. COSM is a Korean project developed by Cosmo Coin, and it rewards users with COSM for leaving beauty reviews through the DApp. Going through the white paper, however, raises more than just an eyebrow. According to the document, customer-provided data will be stored on the blockchain. Somewhat expected, the white paper doesn't mention if the project will be developing its own blockchain, or whether it will use an already existing one. It only says that the team is spending a considerable amount of time and efforts on research. There is also no mention of nodes or consensus algorithms. In any case, this first project featured on Samsung's Galaxy S10 does look like an attempt to capitalize on trending buzzwords, rather than truly offer support for decentralized apps, which may not even really need to be decentralized in the first place. Prices surge on the news. The announcement of Samsung Galaxy S10's support for COSM and Enjin has caused the prices of both altcoins to surge notably. Enjin coin has managed to gain upwards of 104% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. COSM, on the other hand, is also marking serious gains. At the time of this writing, the cryptocurrency has increased with around 50% on the day. Samsung bets on e-gaming. Samsung's move to partner up with Enjin is likely in an effort to further the company's involvement into the fast-growing esports market, especially in Asia. Enjin is a Singaporean-based company, which launched Enjin Coin, and is creating an ecosystem for gaming. The platform reportedly has 20 million users, and over 250,000 gaming communities onboarded. The Enjin Coin is used to purchase in-game assets, and assign ownership of them. Samsung has also partnered with game engine maker Unity Technologies, in order to enable games to run smoother on the Galaxy S10. In any case, Samsung is certainly embracing everything cryptocurrency and blockchain in an attempt to sell its latest flagship smartphone. It remains to be seen if this strategy pays off, but its biggest competitors, namely Apple and Huawei, are certainly watching. What do you think of Samsung's Galaxy S10 and its support for DApps? Don't hesitate to let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the OhioBitcoin.com Bitcoin news channel today. We appreciate you spending some of your valuable time with us. Disclaimer: price articles and markets updates are intended for informational purposes only, and should not be considered as trading advice. Neither OhioBitcoin.com nor the author is responsible for